So here's how to wipe a laptop or computer before selling it. This works on Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well, and potentially other versions of Windows. So first what we need to do is right click on the Windows Start button in here and click on Settings, and then click on System and scroll down and click on Recovery. Now in here you will need to press Reset this PC, and you want to choose from one of these. The first one will keep your personal files and perform a soft reset, while the second one will remove everything, including your personal files and all the apps and settings, which is most likely the option we're going to choose if you want to resell your PC. So we're going to click on this and it will start getting things ready. And now you'll be asked how you would like to reinstall Windows. Now the first option will download Windows from the internet and reinstall it from there, while this option will use your current files on your machine to reinstall Windows, which is preferably faster. This method, we're gonna click on this, and this will remove the apps and files and clean the drive. You do not clean the drive. You will need to clean it manually, and it will delete all the files from Windows Drive, reinstall Windows, and remove any personal apps or files. Now you will need to click on Next, and that should start the process of resetting the PC. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.